When planning my hunt into an area like this, the first thing I need to think about is access. And typically I'm accessing these areas with a vehicle. So I want to find where there's a roadways be close to my target location, which I've identified. And I'll also want to consider an area that I can safely park my vehicle off the road, and that's going to give me access to whether it's a trail or good terrain features that'll allow me to orienteer into my planned hunt location. The next thing I'm going to think about is access into this area. Once I've got a spot identified where I've got some good habitat, some good landscape features, I'm going to try and figure out the access into the area. The iHunter app will help me identify road access into the area using their several map layers with roads identified on them. Another key tool is the side roads and trails layer. This is a relatively new feature that shows where there is existing trails through the forest that have been mapped out. This is a great tool because it helps me identify where I can hike into an area more efficiently. It certainly helps me plan my hunts in a good way to just know where the density of trails are, and also often I'll be planning my hunt so I'm getting well away from those access points, those trails and roads. So this layer shows me where the roads are and where people are accessing the area. I might choose to hunt away from those areas to find undisturbed deer and have a better hunt.